look at a few more examples of radical expressions. And very similar to how I split up the radicals and made multiple radicals for multiplication, I'm going to do the same thing, not just for multiplication, but also if I see division here, like with that problem and with this problem. So let's look at the one on the left. It is the square root of 4y to the 6th over 9. And I'm going to split this up into 3 different radicals. I'm going to call it the square root of 4 times the square root of y to the 6th over the square root of 9. Okay, and this only works for multiplication and division. You can't make multiple radicals if you're adding or subtracting. But now, it makes it a lot easier to see. Square root of 4 is 2. The square root of y to the 6th is y to the 3rd. And the square root of 9 is 3. And that's my answer. Let's look at this one right here in the middle. Square root of 18 over 200. Now, I don't know the square root of 18, and I don't know the square root of 200. So I could split it up into 2 times 9 and 2 times 100, because I know that the square root of 9 is 3, and I know that the square root of 100 is 10. But what you're going to see is that you'll have a 2 in the numerator and the 2 in the denominator. So it's best to just simplify this before I try to look at the radicals. 18 over 200, right? And you could put it in your calculator. It'll reduce for you. 2 goes into 18, and 2 also goes into 200. So 2 goes into 18 9 times. 2 goes into 100, 200, 100 times. So 18 over 200 is the same as 9 over 100. And now let's split this radical up into 2 radicals. Square root of 9 over square root of 100. I know the square root of 9 is 3, and the square root of 100 is 10.